The plan for today is to show you a cool trick with advanced filter under the data ribbon in Excel. For those who know advanced filter, the first part of this lesson might be familiar to you, but wait till the end. So let's start. As you can see here, I have some data, and in this data I have some dates. You can see I have 2020 and 2021, and then I have a product. Now in this product, if you see, I have two things that have chip. So I have chocolate chip and potato chips. So the plan here is to be able to extract the data that is starting after 1 Feb 2020 and that contains chip in product. So to do this, I'll first make my condition. So I copy order date and I put it here, and then I copy product and I put it here. For order date, it depends on how the date format is in your computer, but if I put 01/02 2020, as you can see, if I just change the format, I go to home under the arrow and I go to number and I put, for example, this one, you can see it's 1 Feb 2020. So I'm gonna take this, cut it from here, and then come here and put bigger or equal than, and then I paste this. Then for product, we want everything having chip in it. So in order to do this, we have a star, then chip, then another star. What the star means is that I can have anything after chip in the cell or anything before chip in the cell. So if I don't put, for example, the first star, it means that the cell has to start with chip. If I don't put it at the end, it means the cell has to end with chip. So now we go to a new sheet in Excel, sheet 3. Always start with the sheet where you want to paste the data, it's easier. And then you go to Data, Advanced, and then you say copy to another location. Now you need to select your list. So you go back and then you select your data. Then you need to select the criteria range. So you go back again. I'm gonna go up, select those two criterias. And again, if you have more criterias, you can just add them and select them. And then copy to, you put it here. I click OK. And then as you can see, my data is starting from 3 Feb. So all the Jan data is gone. Also, if you see here, if I add a filter, you can see that everything I have has chip in it, which is cool. But those of you who know advanced filter will find it maybe familiar. So now let me show you the trick. The trick is I want to do the same, but I only want order date, I want the product, quantity, price, and total sales. I don't want those cells in the middle. So I don't want region, city, category. So what I can do is delete this, and I'm gonna delete the data here. I'm just gonna keep the headers, right? And now we're gonna do kind of the same operation. So we go to advanced, the list range is, we go back here, we select it, then the criteria range, we go here, we select it, and then we say copy to another location. Instead of copy to, we remove this and we select those headers. So this is what we have. Then if I say OK, as you can see, I got the same data, but only the columns that I want. And this is the magic in this. And I didn't know this trick until recently I discovered it. But even if you have, for example, you don't want this order date, you cannot have it, but have it as a filtering criteria and the data will come. So I hope you enjoyed this trick and I'll see you in another lesson.